should have done was land your plane. You don't own that plane, the taxpayers do. Son, your ego is writing checks your body can.
Oh, no kidding.